In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive. Whether you're looking to better connect with your audience or streamline your marketing efforts, automating your email campaigns can be a game changer. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to pipedrive.com. Once you're there, look for the login button and give it a click. As you might expect, you'll need to enter your email and password here to get into your Pipedrive account. After you've keyed in your credentials, just hit login and you should be good to go. Now that you're logged in, we need to navigate to the pipeline section, specifically deals. The pipeline is where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing and managing your sales processes. Once there, scroll over to the campaign section. This is your go-to place for all things marketing in Pipedrive. When you're in campaigns, look for the option that says automated campaigns and click on it. This is where we start to build out the email drip campaign. You'll see an option to add a new campaign with a simple plus campaign button. Go ahead and click that. Good job so far. Next, we'll need to handle the sender details. You'll see an option to add sender. Click on it and you'll be asked to fill out the sender email. Make sure you enter it accurately, as this is the email appearing in the recipient's inboxes. There's a tick box to confirm your entry. Don't forget to check it. After filling out the sender email, click on continue to proceed. Now it's time to fill in your company information. This is crucial as it establishes your identity to anyone receiving your emails. Once all your company details are entered, click confirm. You might be prompted to verify your email code, which is a step to ensure everything is set up securely. Then click on verify email to complete this part of the process. Now for one of the final touches, think of a compelling subject line for your emails and add it into the subject field. A captivating subject line can significantly increase email open rates. Feeling creative? Hit create new when you're ready to design your email. You can choose a layout that suits your brand or start from scratch with a blank template. Don't forget to enable email tracking. This feature is incredibly useful for gauging engagement with your campaign, as it allows you to track who opens your emails or clicks on your links. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with your configurations, click on close. Congratulations, you've just set up an automated email drip campaign in Pipedrive. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to align your marketing strategy with your sales efforts more efficiently.